Hi everybody and welcome to this video on simple interest. In this video, we're having a look at hire purchase. So first of all, what is hire purchase? Hire purchase is when you would like to buy some item and let's just say it costs a certain price. Let's say some price, it has some price. And at that particular moment that you would like to buy that item, you do not have the money on hand. So what hire purchase entails is then taking that price and applying simple interest for however long you wish to pay it for, and then you'll get a monthly or however often payment that you will make that is more affordable for you, and you can still purchase the object. So it's almost like you are hiring it, you're paying a monthly fee, but at the end of that period that you are paying the fee, you would have actually purchased the item. Okay, so generally, if it is monthly payments, this is how we calculate a monthly payment. We take the accumulated value of that item at that interest rate for however long that period is and divide it by the number of months that you wish to make the payments over. This might seem a bit complicated, but let us have a look at a question and maybe it will make more sense. So here it says calculate how much you would pay per month if you are buying a microwave which costs 2,000 Rand at an interest rate of 20% over 2 years. So the first thing that we're going to need to do is calculate the accumulated amount. So let us start. We would like to calculate the accumulated amount. We put in the principal value, how much the microwave costs at the moment is the principal value. Normally, there's also some sort of deposit that is paid, and if that is the case, you subtract the deposit first. In this case, there's no deposit, so the principal is straight out the full price of the microwave, which is 2,000 Rand. Then what we have is our interest rate, which is 20%, and we're going to state that as a decimal. And what we have is our number of years is 2. So then what we're going to do is calculate the accumulated value of the microwave at that interest rate and for that period of time. So we get that it is 2,000 Rand times 1 plus 0.2 times 2. So then calculating this, we get that the microwave would then, the accumulated value of the microwave would be 2,800 Rand. So this over here, you are not making this payment once off. You're going to pay this amount over the 2 years. So the monthly payment we calculate as follows. We take the accumulated amount and we divide by the number of months. So you're going to be paying this over 2 years, and each year has 12 months. So this year would be equal to 2,800 divided by 24 months, because that's how many payments you will be making. And what we'll get is 116.67 Rand. So if you are buying this microwave on hire purchase over 2 years, each month you will have to pay 116 Rand and 67 cents to purchase that microwave. So just going over the steps once again, the first thing is you calculate the accumulated amount by using your simple interest formula. And then the second step is to then take your accumulated amount and divide by the number of months or number of payments that you are making, and then you would get what is your monthly payment. I hope that you've understood this video. Please watch our other videos on simple interest for more information on how to use the formula, and please watch our next videos on compound interest for more information on other financial maths topics. Thank you for watching. Bye.